This is our factory, established in 2003. With years of effort, we have become a leading manufacturer of drilling rig with the integration of scientific research, producing and selling. Our producing capacity is 700 units per year. They are mainly applied in construction of high-speed railway, city subway, tunnel, basement, water conservancy, etc. Our products are essential to the foundation construction. All those years, we have been devoted into the research of foundation construction equipment. Through researching of multiple construction techniques, we successfully developed FMX series anchor drilling rigs, FDL top drive series drilling rigs, FSJ series jet grounding drilling rigs. Our products win great popularity by the higher practicability and the high performance price ratio, so we can dominate around 16% market share in China. Meanwhile, we have always attached great importance to the development of foreign markets. We have exported to Vietnam, Brunei, Singapore, Iran, UK, Canada, Africa, and other areas. 100 plus sets exported per year.
Is this our micropiling rig factory?
Yes. Hi guys, just follow us. I'll show you everything in my factory. Hi guys, here is our workshop. You can see so many parts here. They are ready for the new machine. Although we have been through the coronavirus, but now the market is booming, so we are very busy now.
As you can see, we have so many parts in the workshop, such as the motor, the hydraulic system, the drilling rod, the auger. All these parts will be used for the new machine.
I think most of our friends are very interested in our micropiling rig. As you can see, we have a series rig here, so if you have no idea about this product, you will not know which one is suitable for your job site. So in order to give you a better proposal, I'm going to recommend you two popular items, because these two items can handle most of the micropiling job and very recommended by our existing customers, so it cannot be wrong. First, I would like to introduce you a very hot selling item, that is FMX150D. Here it is. Let's see how it looks like.
When we are talking about micropiling, it contains drilling, casing drilling, double tube drilling, anti-floating drilling, DTH drilling, etc. This type can handle all these jobs well. The machine can drill the dial from 115 mm to 215 mm. The drilling depth can be 130 meter to 170 meter. The drilling angle is from 0 to 19 degree. The total motor power is 73.5 kilowatts. So with all these parameters, it can solve you most drilling problems. What's more, the cost is very attractive. You want to know it? Message us.
Oh, it seems FMX 150D is a very powerful machine, very impressive.
Yes, you are right. That is why they are very hot in the market.
Steven,
Yeah?
I have a customer. They have
Okay.
a new project. In this project, they will drill the rock layer. But as we can see, the normal type micro rig will need extra equipment such as DTH and air compressor to
Yes.
drill the rock.
Yeah.
But he wants the rig all in one function. Do we
Okay.
have this kind of rig?
Yes, we have that kind of machine, so I can show you.
Okay, good.
Okay, this is the rig I'm going to show you. The motor type is 118, and it's a top drive drilling rig. You may notice there is a big rotary drilling head. So this head contains a percussion unit. So with this unit, with this device, you can do the rock drilling very fast and very efficiently.
This FDL 119 has a bigger rotary head. It contains a percussion unit. With this device, the rig can do the rock drilling very fast and efficiently. The drilling depth of this rig is from 115 to 215 millimeters. The drilling depth range can be from 115 to 118 meters. The drilling angle is from -12 to 19 degrees. The total power is 110 kilowatts.
Yes, this is exactly the rig that my customer is looking for. I
Yeah.
will recommend it to him.
That is good, and we can also customize for your customer according to his request.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
What's the warranty we can offer, and do we have any after-sale service?
Yes, that is a very good question. So normally we give you the 1-year warranty for all customers, and if the customer needs, we can also dispatch our engineers to his job site.
Very good. Steven,
Yes?
I think some clients, they still have some doubts about this machine can work well or not. How to approve that?
I understand. Actually, we have so many working cases we can show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Steven, with this working video, I think it will bring more confidence to our customers.
Yes. Hi guys, this is our R&D department. We have 20 engineers and most of them have more than 10 years working experience. So far, we have 60% of the patents and 20% of the patents of the invention. So let's go into the office and have a look. Okay, this is our director, Mr. Yu. I'm going to have a small interview with him. 哎，尤总。
你好。
哎，你好。
我打孔的时候，我的角度没法调整。
对。
然后呢，我们在我们这款新机型上，然后我们可以根据客户现场实际的情况，我可以根据我的油缸去调整客户的施工角度，这样满足客户施工的时候对角度的准确性。
Mr. Yu told us this FDL 118 is very hot selling item because it has a rotary head which can work in all kinds of layers. And meantime, it can customize and update according to customers' demand, so it is very popular in the market.
只能够靠电脑。
我们到时候
对
做推广。
是的。
那好，谢谢尤总的一个精彩的一个分享。好，谢谢。
好，
你继续工。
好。